Well, shit. There's going to be a hurricane. Wait a minute. Hold on. Yeah, there's a tornado warning in my area. It even says it right here. There's even news about it too. Oh wait, it's just a commercial playing. I'll wait till the news comes back on, although it literally shows it right here that there's gonna be a tornado warning in my area. There's gonna be an emergency alert system now.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for northern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida until 4 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located over Miami International Airport or near Hialeah, moving north at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Miami, Hialeah, Coral Gables, Miami Gardens, and Doral. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may have this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Miami. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.
Could have winds at 60 miles.
And now there's a news report about it.
A tornado warning. And this right here is Miami Beach, and it goes up to Surfside. So, search and rescue efforts there hampered likely because of the heavy rain that's coming in.
Hold on. So yeah, that is proof that there is a tornado warning. Oh wait. I know I already showed the part where it's raining in my video that I uploaded today, but I'm just gonna turn on the camera again just in case. Actually, let me show you outside. I know I already showed this in the other video, but I don't care. I'm just gonna do it again because this is where I am telling you about the tornado warning in my area. So yeah, wish me luck on this. Wish me luck on this, and hopefully we all survive. Alright, I guess that's enough of recording this, since, this is only to tell you all that there's a tornado warning in my area, which is why there is a huge rain in my area. So yeah, this is Brian Zamora signing off.